If your tub spout is dripping, banged up, or water's coming out of both the shower head and the spout at the same time when you pull the diverter, stick around, because this is a fix you can knock out in one afternoon. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, I'm covering both styles of tub spout, threaded and slip-on, so no matter which one you've got, you'll know exactly how to swap it out and seal it up right. Let's get into it. Step 1. ID your spout. Before you buy anything, check underneath the spout near the wall. No set screw means it's threaded. See a set screw? That's a slip-on. If you're not sure, grab a universal spout. It works with both once you match up the right fitting. For the threaded style, wrap a rag around it and turn counterclockwise with adjustable pliers to loosen it up. Then clean off the old threads before installing the new one. For the slip-on style, it's even easier. Just loosen the set screw with an Allen key and the spout slides right off. Step 2. Prep and install. For threaded spouts, wrap fresh Teflon tape clockwise around the threads. Add a bit of pipe dope for good measure, and thread the new spout on snug. For slip-on spouts, the key is a smooth copper stub. Sand down any burrs or corrosion so you don't tear the O-ring when the new spout slides on. A little plumber's grease on the copper and O-ring helps it go on easy. Slide the spout on straight, then snug the set screw down. Just a quarter to half turn past snug. No need to overdo it since it's only holding the spout in place, not sealing it. Step 3. Test and seal. Turn the water on and check the diverter. Make sure it's sending water up to the shower head properly and that nothing's leaking behind the spout. One tip that'll save you a future repair: never switch the diverter while the water's running. That's what wears out the internal washer over time. Once you're confident there's no leak, run a bead of silicone along the top of the spout where it meets the wall. But leave the bottom open. That gap is your early warning system if a leak ever shows up down the line. And that's it. Spouts replaced, sealed, and good to go. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.